back to Joe's Universe, and today we're gonna go up and down Windermere Lake on a boat. And this is there's a house on the edge over there. The man said not to go near them, the red boys. So that's why we're not going anywhere near them. So we're just gonna go up the lake and then we're gonna come back down. That's where we're set off, and we've come all the way here. The boat's making waves. Yeah, the boat's making lots of waves. Cause look, it's just making a very long wave here. Like it keeps going out from the boat because the boat is pointy at the front and the water goes around it like that. So that's how the wave goes out like that. And it'll keep going out there and it might hit one of them boats. Hopefully it doesn't tip over. Whoa! That's a big boat. And there's another sailing boat there. Why is there a barrel in the middle of the lake? It might just be another thing for a boy. So, yeah. The good thing about that is that there's lots and lots of trees on it. But the bad thing is that some of them are falling down. So because of the wind, because of Storm Arwen, and they've probably fallen down over there. Lots are falling down. But there's still lots standing, so that's good. I'm worried about that. the big rain clouds. Hi, I'm steering!
Yes, I need that way for that.
This is my first time steering a boat.
Go that way.
This way.
Yep.
This is like driving a car. Mountains up there. Is that another ship? I don't know. I can actually see some trees over there that are falling down. This feels so weird. What if I took the horn? What? Aw, you can't take the horn. Okay. Yeah, we're back. Okay, I'm not in control of the boat anymore, but it was still cool. It was good. Found my first group of paddleboarders over there. Cool. We're gonna pass them in a minute. My dad's gonna try and stay as far away as them as possible so these waves don't hit them. And then, because the water's very cold and we don't want them falling in. So we're going to try and steer away from them. And then hopefully when we get past them, I can have another go and drive them. Don't really... Oh look, there's some sheep. Just above them paddleboarders. You can see some white things. They're the sheep. And the little lambs. The water's like brown. What a brown. I don't think my fish called Jack would like to be in there. And then I think paddle boarders are back over there. That might be the car over there. This is in the Lake District. Ullswater Heist Lodges. This is the second time driving a boat in this one video, and that's the second time of my life driving a boat. Whoa, duck! Duck. This way. Try tooting the horn again. Doesn't work. Oh, I do this. Hi. Bye. That was good. See you in the next video.